Hey, vsauce, Michael here. If every man in the world faced due west and ejaculated at the exact same time, could the change in momentum generated by their cum meaningfully impact the Earth's rotation? Well, there are over 3.5 billion men on Earth, and at about 3 milliliters per ejaculation, that's enough semen to fill up the Goodyear blimp. Twice. Imagine taking Brazil's Christ the Redeemer statue and launching it from a cannon at 500 miles per hour. The amount of momentum this launch would produce is identical to that of 4 billion men coming simultaneously. And while this is certainly a lot of momentum, it's practically nothing compared to the Earth. The Earth rotates at around 900 miles per hour and is unsurprisingly much heavier than 2 blimps full of jizz. Even still, this mass jizzening would still have some effect. Assuming optimal conditions, the world's men would slow the Earth's rotation by roughly 0.000000000000001 miles per hour. Life can be disappointing. Even a blade of grass grows 900,000 times faster than the effect we'd have on the Earth's spin. Since the earliest days of mankind, we've strived to control the world around us. It's why our earliest ancestors lived in caves rather than open fields. But since then, we've developed houses and towns and cities and, well, civilization. In the modern world, it's easy to think of humanity as the masters of the earth, that we've escaped our primal bonds and achieved true control over the world around us. But if you look down at Earth from the International Space Station, what would you see? Dots. Tiny dots of light. For all that we've done, for all of our efforts, the sum of human achievement can be contained within these tiny, bright spheres. And yet every light is dwarfed by the darkness that surrounds it. The vast majority of Earth's land remains untamed. We have conquered the atom and charted the world, yet something as simple as rotation still lies outside our control. Even the most important events of our lives, our birth and our death, cannot be controlled. We can come, jizz, and ejaculate as much as we want, but nothing can change that. Perhaps, in absolute terms, we aren't much larger than those small, huddled creatures that hunted with rocks and slept in caves. But maybe it's pointless to view things this way. We can only affect the Earth's speed to a marginal degree, sure, but think of how much less we could do when there were millions of men on Earth, not billions. Every big thing was one time small. The penis itself reflects this truth. And with the penis, as with life, it is, as the ancient proverb says, it's not the size that matters, but how you use it. And as always, thanks for watching.